Hello my beautiful viewers. Today we will add this image hotspot in our website. You can see that in this image there are some points. When I will hover the point and you can see that the information is popping up. That's called image hotspot. And today we will add this image hotspot in our WordPress website and it is totally free. So let's do it. So before diving into the video, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe the channel because we will post website related video in every week and that can be helpful for your website. So no more talk, let's dive into the video. So let's add image hotspot to our WordPress website. For that we will need a plugin called image hotspot by DevVN. We can simply install the plugin from here. Now search for the plugin. Image hotspot, and it will be the first one. Install the plugin and also activate it. Now you can see that there is a option for image hotspot. Now here you can add your image hotspot. So first of all, give it a name, and now you can see that there is an option for pins image and also pins hover image. So basically you can set your custom pins for your image hotspot. So let's go to the flat icon, and here you can see that you can find some free icon that can help you, and I already downloaded the icon and I will use this icon. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard and add our pins. So for the pins I will use the black one, and for the pins hover image I will use the blue. Now you can see that there is option for pins animation. By default it is in none, so we can set up animation for our pins, and let's do it. Pulse, and after that you can see that upload image, upload your image, and now you can add point in the images by clicking the add point button. Click it and you can see that in the corner there is a point, and this is the exact image of our pins. You can drag the pins and point it anywhere in the image. So I'll point it here, and also you can add as many as you want. So I will add another one here and also another one in the tree. Or the clock, no, or this drawer. Okay, so after that we need to add information to these pins or the points, whatever you say. So adding the information, we just need to click the point, and you can see that there is a pop-up of content. You can add anything, you can add image here, you can add text and also link as you want. Okay, and the interesting part is you can actually here write HTML, and if you know HTML, and it will be very helpful. So I will write some HTML. This is a heading, close HTML tag, and also I will add a paragraph. So let's copy some lorem ipsum and paste it here. Okay, after that you can see an option for placement. you can place your information as you want. So let's add east and done. So I will do it for it too. Let's copy the information from here and paste it here, and I think this will be west, will be good. Go to the text and paste the HTML and place it as you want. After the settings, you can publish it here, and after publish it, you can see that there is a section for shortcut. Copy this shortcut and go to the page where you wanna add this image hotspot. Name it and edit it with your page builder. And in your page builder, I believe in every page builder there is a widget for shortcut. Search for the shortcut and paste it, the shortcut here. Now you can see that our image with hotspot is here. You can see that there is a animation and we set it before. So update it and preview the change. Here you can see that when we'll hover the pin and the pins turn into the blue, and this is the image we set before for the hover pins image. And also you can see that the hotspot is showing properly. Now you can see that when we will hover over this pin, the hotspot is showing in the right side, and for this the hotspot is showing in the left side. This is happening because in the edit section we chose for this the placement is in the east. For that we chose the placement in the west. That's why the hotspot is showing in the left side, and for that the hotspot showing in the right side. You can also see that there are also many options available that you can try for your image hotspot. Now you know how you can set the hotspot in the left side or the right side, or you can set it in this way. You can see that for that we chose the southwest, and that's why the hotspot is showing this way. Okay, let's check the responsiveness. So let's make it iPad Pro and refresh it. And you can see that for the iPad Pro, it is looking good, not bad. Okay, and let's make it mobile. Let's see how it works. Now this is the problem. You can see that the hotspot is covering the whole section or the whole screen of the mobile. We don't want that. And also you can see that for heading it is hard to see the text. So we need to improve the style and also the responsiveness. So for that we write some custom CSS. You can get the custom CSS from our website. So let's go to our website, cifar.com. For this code you can also find the link in the description. So let's go to the blog section and go to how to add image hotspot, and scroll down. You can see that this custom code and copy that, and back to the Elementor and edit the short code and go to the custom CSS and paste the code here and update. Now go to our page. Now you can see that it is looking much better. Okay, yeah, that's looking much better. Let's see the responsiveness. Now we are in the mobile, and now you can see that it's not covering the whole screen. It's only covering the space for the information. Now it's looking much better. For the iPad, you can see that it's looking much better. So you can improve the style by adding the custom CSS code from our website, and you will find the link in the description for this code. Now you can see that in this code we added background color white. You can add anything as you want. Let's see, green. Let's update, and now you can see that the background is green. So it's customizable. You can customize it as you want. So we will make it white, and for the text color you can see that it is black because we set it, the color is black. So you can set any color as you want. Okay, that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.